Hey, okay, it's Jared again, and I got what I needed now. So I'll go ahead and show you putting this in. So see, this fits real snugly in here. This doesn't slip out. So I got one in. There you go. So that'll hold it nice and steady, and you might be able to see. I didn't quite center it this way, but I don't think that's a problem. It's off by maybe 1/8 of an inch or so. This way it looks good. We'll call this horizontal. Obviously this could go any way. It's 4x4. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and do this diagonal one just so I can get it to hold it. I don't know, like you change a tire. Do the lug nuts. Okay. I just didn't want to go in too far, so I take it slow. All right, here's another screw. Okay, gotta make sure I'm going the right direction here. There we go. Okay, you get the idea. I'm not gonna sit here and film drilling 6 more holes and driving 6 more screws. So that's it. After I drill this, I will go measure some. You know what? I'll take these to the garage and show you what I need to measure and mark them so that I can attach the 4x4s that'll be hinged to the wall. Okay. Like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.